Shepa fethu kunjani cameraman team mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi kiyi1 paka chu
Whatever fethu kunjani those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
I was expecting you to say another exciting one. So Buffett, yeah, on this video there we'll be talking about Mamelodi Sundowns. Obviously, we'll touch on the game the previous day with TX Galaxy. We saw Mamelodi Sundowns losing 3-2, and it was their last game Betway Premiership. A game that they should have won if they were really sure that they want to win the Betway Premiership by defending. Hey, my guy, we saw Sundowns in Leo. I don't know if we tell up Linda. How did they lost? What went wrong?
Hey.
Before we get to how you feel.
No, kubalulekile ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani. No. Sundowns le game le hey angazi ngizothina. I think nabo they loosened a little bit. Obviously emqondweni wabo they were thinking about that game CAF Champions League final. So if you're not going to include abadlali abafana no Ayende, abadlali abafana no, I'm not sure if Adams is still serving a red card.
I think it's red card.
Yeah. But it's his second game. Yeah. And also I think mangabu ushintsha scheme fanele ukuthi uzama create a balance. There are cores or core members a team, like for example if you count Umkoeno aba determine ukuthi team idlala kanjani, like your Modibas of this world. I'm not sure ukuthi why umdawo ngale bephumlile. That's coach's explanation angamela ayinikeza. But nje ileyo nto leyo kahle mina ngakhala ngayo. Obviously ke ucoach uqhamukile kithi after the game wasitshela ukuthi ayikho into bengayenza if he plays a game in every 3 days. Basically how many games? 7 games in 21 games in 21 days. Yeah. Yes. So I guess there's little to do ngempela. But ke enye into iSundowns asingakhohlwa ukuthi inaso squad. So it's the coach who wasn't managing team well enough kahle. When you get umdlalo ofana nomdunyelwa who you just see ukuthi uyadunyelwa ngoba uyayibuza ukuthi ngempela umdunyelwa was fit, you know. So una labadlali laba ngabashintshe yena, even if umnikeza lo 30 minutes umdlali just ukuthi naye abe match fit, not ukuthi njalo uyajima nje yena,
because already uyabona schedule yakhe ukuthi it messed up. So these players, give them those 30 minutes, 20 minutes, time and again. Ungabadlalisi le time so badinga kwangempela.
Exactly. Ngiyazi ke abanye bazoqhamuka bethi hayi kodwa vele akukho fair, iPSL yenze kanje. That's an argument which if now icabanga kahle lento le, there is World Cup coming, and njengoba kukhona World Cup coming, South Africa it just so happens ukuthi iyona edlala umdlalo wokuqala mhla ka-11 June. Mangabe ukuthi upostpone ama games shoot uzongenela kuleya weekend leya, like weekend before last. Mangakanani ama preparations azokwenzeka for iBafana, because we also expecting iBafana to do well with competition.
But also rumors state that it's Mamelodi Sundowns who requested to play the last game.
Exactly.
You know, before we CAF final. So we cannot blame PSL because it's a lot happening. But before we touch on that, you were talking about managing the squad, ne? So let's look at these players. Mhlawumbe and nalabo abadlala bangaphumuli. We'll start with Mzante's number 1. Performance yakhe has drastically been poor. Low, it dropped. Kwenzakalani? Is he tired?
Hey, for a goalkeeper, I wouldn't say he's that tired, because I think even during the season, there were games which you would see Onyango playing, and even that keeper wako, there were games where you could see Nomengeko Maningi, but akhona lawo ma-games wethu, and we didn't even travel that much from, they traveled to Africa. Bona-ke, they traveled to Africa, so maybe that takes it toll. But I think it's just the form like Kuronza. Because if you check ama goals, Genelayo,
they are very questionable.
Some of them, it's him
Yes.
who puts him in those situations, you know. I'm not a goalkeeper. I'm not aware of goalkeeper. But now you can tell what yabona I keeper
Okay, you are saying it's not fatigue, but again, coach. A coach some of them they are tired, right? Waba rotate for Yundamani. Wash Yundamani play a lot of games, one Pumus, and then Ureza something. Onyango Bakono Petersi. But you should to Uronza, Agambona tired and Agambona to rotate it because we are believe again,
yeah.
So as a captain, means I'm a mistake line, going to Bafana Senza Samba 9.
I don't think we will change. Even we're starting 11,
it's gonna be our number one.
He's still our number one. I know Wuti. A lot of people would say, why not change? There is a lot that Oronza comes up with. I just hope he clears his head after this Champions League. Hopefully they win it. In fact, I changed my mind. Hopefully they win it.
They win what, the CAF?
Yeah, the CAF Champions League.
Okay.
I think it will boost their confidence. I know right now, Ukliwa is not so easy, Buffett. I realized this all. Not Ukliwa just in one game. Where you realize, whatever man, hey, Lelikile is no longer in my hands.
Yeah.
Then you start having Lezo in Kulumo, posting those posts, Pokai, or emphasize Uguti, it's no longer fair, white in Naguganje. But it's been you all along. If we were to open the files, now there were times where you won by beating the system.
Yeah.
We're not saying it's good to but is it just make you realize but I just hope sometimes they go there and they bring up star sesibili. I think lokho kubalulekile for Southern African teams to have more and more presence kwi African competition. So winning that competition will be our third star. It just so happens all the teams are in South Africa are winning Lesita, but Sundowns still has a job to do before we can confirm that.
Okay, so before we actually close, for me, I feel like Sundowns is all got it wrong with him. Batman Pumozo Ndamane, that was number one because of the Lapeta Nokekan and the fact that Cupido it's injured now Kugaba Limaza, and then Wesley and Wutu Adams got a red card. Obviously, the dynamics of the team changes.
Yeah,
but it's
a booster for the final.
Yeah, because Adams will play the red card. The red card doesn't affect the CAF. So now, before we close, TX Galaxy, where did they get it right? Especially because if you look at TX Galaxy, if I keep it in good cup, I think in that bank, if I shy the vote. Yes, and then now it couldn't look Bashai came in. So TX Galaxy, are they the only team or one of those teams about of Shai Sundowns?
I would say it's one of those teams. I think if you remember the rivalry, yaqala ngesikhathi
Sam Kwena
no
their previous coach,
yes. Bramovich or something. I forgot his name. Yaqala ngaleso sikhathi. But namanje remember ukuthi in recent times uParker
got injured.
He was injured by Uzungu, Epuga, a grounding, and it just fueled that fire. Would say these people So these guys, they always prepare. If you remember, before this game, Sundowns, ETS had not won in 14 games. That's almost half of the season. The second part of the season, it means that they haven't won even one game in Kolumang PSL alone, not the cup because the cup baphume final.
Yeah.
So into njalo ikutshela ukuthi ifana ne-derby some sort,
Yeah.
where the previous result doesn't matter. You are going there to play and to give all. But
Yeah.
ke sibuyele kwi-tactical discipline efakwe uBernard Parker. I
Yeah.
think uBernard Parker usifundise something about i-Sundowns ka-Cardoso. I would like to think that, because he just into ebalulekile ayenzile. Yes, Sundowns had key players like Abo Ayende that were not there, Abo Adams, that would have made a lot of difference in organizing la eswini phakathi, yabo. But one thing ayenzile that I think Sundowns it was frustrated a lot about, it was if you remember a game Pirates 2-1, ukuthi amabhola abo ayiqhamuka ngakuphi kakhulu ngapha ku left wabo. We always say ukuthi ufana ne playmaker yabo Modiba. If you shut, and Modiba, it's not like bebe hard presser like Kaizer Chiefs. They were not hard pressing him. Ubekwazi ukudlala, but bebevala lesa spaces between ukeeper nama defender, right? And it was so important to bavela lesa space because the strikers bajwayele ukurana lesa space sebebodwa abo Leon ngaso sonke isikhathi uthola ukuthi sekuyi cross nje, and you know it's more like a tap in. Bavale lesa space and they closed the danger at Sundowns. So they were trying bona Mamelodi Sundowns, but yeah, you could see ukuthi
they couldn't even
getting drained.
Sundowns couldn't even contain umfana lobani Mahlambi.
Okunye ke i-maturity. I know ukuthi i-Test Galaxy idlala ngabadlali abancane, but there are those mature guys like uMaduna, like uMvelase, Mbunjane, the way bedlala ngakhona, the way be understandana ngakhona, even uyena oVeluyeke Zulu emuva, we could see ukuthi he is a leader. Mabesho bathi akajwayele ukudlala, kodwa you could tell ukuthi he is the difference kule team le. You already talked about uMahlambi, and coach we post match ube emphasize ukuthi why sinomdlali esazi kahle ukuthi he's always a threat to mephethe ibhola, singathi basibambe ibhola sinike nangempela kwenzile umehluko lokho. They got a penalty, you know. So such things ziyakhombisa ukuthi coach, I saw he hope ukuthi phela they already said ukuthi ngeke bemnike ithuba,
but they want him to grow.
I hope he will get a chance elsewhere. Even ibhola lakhe I think line clear understanding kubadlali, because you could tell mengabe beliphethe ukuthi this is what they want to do, you know. It's quick. It has clear identity ukuthi this is what we want to do. Exactly. I think amateam amancane it's so important ukuwona ukuthi adlale kanje, because ukudlala lamateam amakhulu mfethu, they want to dominate you, they want to drain you, they want to press you ukuthi ubuyele emuva ngaso sonke isikhathi. So if you are able to work or see out their weaknesses and work ukuthi kulama weaknesses, this is what we are gonna do, and use our strength in those weaknesses, it would be a better. You can score one and defend the whole 90 minutes.
Correct.
That's a game of football.
I'll say congratulations to Bernard Parker and the whole technical team, TX Galaxy players. It was a very good game to watch, you know. So says Vala, is the league gone kanje?
It's a pity ukuthi ama-tickets have already been sold out, but honestly speaking, I was gonna buy the ticket and go to Yobuga history.
Is it gone kanje?
It's gone kanje.
I don't know, but Mamelodi Sundowns lost the last game, and Orlando Pirates, gap is 3 points. They have 2 games in hand. So I don't know. Do you think the league is already gone?
It's gone.
Will we find out Saturday and comment?
We just have to win 1-0. We don't need 7. 1-0. The league is gone.
And comment it down below. We'll see you on another one.